Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of differentiate the function with respect to x. Differentiability exercise 5.2 question number first, y is equal to sin x square plus 5. There are two functions. Now differentiation with respect to differences with respect to x. Now dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx sin x square plus 5. So differentiation with respect to x, derivative of x, one again function first sin x. So sin cos x square plus 5 into again differentiation with respect to x square plus 5. So now cos x square plus 5 into multiply by derivative in this function d upon dx x square plus d upon dx 5. So cos x square plus 5 into derivative of this 2x or 2 power 2 minus 1 into 0. So cos x square plus 5 into 2x. So 2x cos x square plus 5. So dy upon dx. This is answer, and this solution is direct method, and another method y is equal to sin x square plus 5. So there are two functions. Let x square plus 5 is equal to t. So differentiation with respect to x. So d upon dx x square plus 5 is equal to dt upon dx. So x square 2x and dy dx 0. So 2x is equal to dt upon dx, and also y is equal to sin x square plus 5 is equal to 2. Now put here sin t. So dy upon dt is equal to sin d upon dt sin t. So sin t is equal to cos t. Sin t, derivative of sin t with respect to cos t. So dy upon dt. So now first equation, now second equation. By chain rule, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt into dt upon dx. So dy upon dt means cos t into dt upon dx is equal to 2x. So t, now put here value of t, cos t x square plus 5 into 2x. So 2x cos x square plus 5. So dy upon dx. This is another method. This is chain rule. Question number 2. So let y is equal to cos sin x. So now differentiating with respect to x. Now dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx cos sin x. So starting cos derivative of cos x with respect to x minus sin x, and again derivative of sin x. So minus sin x, derivative of sin x with respect to x cos x. So dy upon dx, and another process y is equal to or cos sin x. Let sin x is equal to t, differentiating with respect to t. So d upon dx sin x is equal to dt upon dx. So sin x cos x, so dt upon dx, and also y is equal to cos sin x. So let put t cos t, differentiating with respect to t. So dy upon dt is equal to d upon dt cos t. So cos t, derivative cos t with respect to t, so minus sin t. So dy upon dt. So by chain rule, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt into dt upon dx. So now put here dy upon dt minus sin t into dt upon dx is equal to cos x. So minus sin t sin x, so sin x into cos x. So dy upon dx. This is chain rule. Question number 3. Let y is equal to sin ax plus b. So let differentiating with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx sin ax plus b. So dy upon dx is equal to sin derivative of sin cos ax plus b into derivative of again this function d upon dx ax plus b. So cos ax plus b into a dx upon dx plus d upon dx into b. So cos ax plus b into a derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1 constant derivative 0. So find out cos ax plus b into a. So a cos ax plus b. So dy upon dx. Again, or y is equal to sin ax plus b. So now let ax plus b is equal to t. So derivative of this function with respect to x, derivative of this function respect to tx. So a dx upon dx plus d upon dx b into dt upon dx. So a derivative of x with respect to x. So value 1 constant 0 dt upon dx. So a is equal to dt upon dx, and also y is equal to sin ax plus b. Now let t. So dy upon dt is equal to d upon dt sin t. So derivative of sin t with respect to t cos t. So dy upon dt. By chain rule, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt into dt upon dx. So dy upon dt cos t into dA. So a cos t. So a cos t, t for ax plus b, ax plus b. This is answer dy upon dx. And question number 4, y is equal to sec tan root x. So differentiation with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx sec tan root x. So starting for this function, there are three functions sec, tan and root x. So starting derivative of x with respect to sec. So sec tan root x into tan root x into derivative of this function tan root x. So sec tan root x into tan root x into derivative of dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx tan x is equal to sec square x. So now put here tan root x. So sec square root x into derivative of root x power 1 by 2. So dy upon dx is equal to sec tan root x into tan root x is equal to sec square root x into 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So d upon dx x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This power 1 n minus 1 reduce this power and n times this power. So now sec tan root x into tan root x sec square root x into 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus. So now dy upon dx is equal to sec tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x divided by 2 root x. This is answer. So dy upon dx. And also question number 4, sec tan root x. So let tan root x is equal to t and root x is equal to v. Now put this function tan v is equal to t. So differentiation with respect to v. So d upon dv is equal to tan v is equal to dt upon dv. So derivative of tan x is equal to sec square v dt upon dv. So now again derivative of this function dv upon dx. So differentiation with respect to x. So d upon dv x power 1 by 2. So dv upon dx. So 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 dv upon dx. And also now y is equal to sec tan root x is equal to t. So dy upon dt is equal to d upon dt sec t. So sec t, derivative of sec t with respect to t, sec t and tan t. So now these value put here by chain rule. Dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt is equal to dt upon dv into dv upon dx. Now first, now second, now third, put here. So dy upon dt sec t into tan t into dt upon dv sec square v and dv upon dx 1 by 2 x power minus 2. So value of t now put here sec tan root x into tan root x into sec square this v value of v root x put here into 1 upon 2 root x. So sec tan root x into tan root x tan root x into sec square root x upon 2 root x. This is dy upon dx. Question number 5. So y is equal to sin ax plus b upon cos cx plus d. So now derivative of quotient rule with the help of you can solve dy upon dx. So d upon dx sin ax plus b upon cos cx plus d. So now cos cx plus d denominator into numerator of derivative sin ax plus b minus numerator sin ax plus b into derivative of denominator cos cx plus d. So cos cx plus d square of. Now cos cx plus d into derivative of sin x cos x. So cos ax plus b into derivative of this function again ax plus b minus sin ax plus b into derivative of cos x minus sin cx plus d into derivative of again this function cx plus d. So now divide by cos square cx plus d and also you can write cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b into derivative of ax a into 1 plus 0 and minus sin ax plus b minus into minus plus and sin cx plus d into derivative of this function c into 1 plus 0. So now divide by cos square cx plus d. Again cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b into a plus and sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d into c divided by cos square cx plus d and also separated by this cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b into a divided by cos square cx upon d plus c into sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d upon cos square cx plus d cos cx plus d into cos cx plus d. So cos cancel out and so a 1 upon a into cos ax plus b upon cos cx plus d and plus c sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d upon cos cx plus d upon tan cx plus d upon cos cx plus d. So now a cos ax plus b into 1 upon cos sec cx plus d plus a sin ax plus b into tan cx plus d into 1 upon cos sec cx into d. This is dy upon dx. This solution is given function. And question number 6, y is equal to cos x power 3 into sin square x power 5. So now differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx cos x cube into sin square x power 5. There are product of two functions. So now dy upon dx is equal to first function cos x cube, derivative of second function sin x power 5 power 2, and plus second function sin square x power 5 derivative of first function cos x power 3. So now let us start. Cos x power 3 derivative of this power into 2 into sin x power 5 power 2 minus 1 into derivative of this function dy upon dx sin x power 5. So plus sin square x power 5. So derivative of cos with respect to x minus sin x power 3 into derivative of this function d upon dx x power 3. So now cos x power 3 into 2 into sin x power 5 into sin into cos x power 5. So derivative of this d upon dx x power 5 and plus sin square x power 5 minus plus minus, so sin x power 3 into derivative of x power 3 3x square. Now cos x power 3 into 2 into sin x power 5 into cos x power 5 into 5 x power 4 minus 3 sin. Now dy dx is equal to, in previous line represent here. So now arrange this 5 into 2 10 cos x power 3 sin x power 5 into cos x power 5 and x power 4 minus also 3 x power 2 sin square x power 5 into sin x power 3. Now arrange this. So 10 x power 4 and also x sin x power 5 into cos x power 5 into cos x power 3 minus 3 x power 2 into sin square x power 5 into sin x power 3. So this is dy upon dx given function. This is answer. That's all.